WhatsUp Gold is a powerful solution designed to give organizations complete visibility across their entire IT infrastructure, from on-premises networks to cloud environments. Going beyond traditional monitoring, WhatsUp Gold allows IT teams to quickly identify issues, optimize performance, and protect their network from emerging threats through these advantages. Centralized monitoring across hybrid environments. Faster issue detection and troubleshooting. Improved network performance and reliability. Simplified compliance and log management. Enhanced security visibility and threat detection. WhatsUp Gold offers several key capabilities that help IT teams manage their infrastructure more effectively. Unified infrastructure monitoring, which allows you to monitor servers, network devices, applications, and cloud resources from a single centralized dashboard. Advanced network performance analytics, where you can track bandwidth usage, latency, and traffic patterns in real time to identify bottlenecks and maintain optimal performance. Compliance-ready log management, which collects Windows event logs and syslogs across your network, allowing you to set alerts, run log searches, and archive logs for compliance and troubleshooting. Interactive network mapping, where the system automatically discovers devices and creates dynamic Layer 2 and Layer 3 topology maps, making it easier to visualize your network and resolve issues quickly. Intelligent threat detection, which uses AI-driven anomaly detection to identify suspicious activity early and help IT teams respond before threats escalate. WhatsUp Gold automatically discovers and monitors devices across your network, including network devices and infrastructure, physical and virtual servers, applications and services, wireless networks and controllers, virtual machines, VMware and Hyper-V, cloud environments such as AWS and Azure, traffic flows and configurations. This comprehensive discovery creates an interactive map of your entire network, from the edge to the cloud.